This is the Labor and Employment Minute with the law firm of Blank Rome, providing strategic advice on critical issues facing employers in today's workplace. For more information, go to blankrome.com.
In the landmark case of Burlington Northern and the Santa Fe Railroad versus White, Sheila White made legal history. Sheila White was working at Burlington Northern. She was the only female employee. She complained about sexual harassment, and what happened to her, she was moved from a forklift operator job to a laboring job with no loss of pay. She complained about that. She was suspended for 37 days. There was an internal review. She was reinstated with full back pay. So when you think about it, she hadn't lost any pay. She hadn't had what we traditionally think of as an adverse employment action. And that's the issue that the Supreme Court decided in the landmark case of Burlington Northern. Something more than a little insult in the workplace. Something which, to a reasonable individual, would deter them from filing a charge is sufficient. And that is a very dramatic departure from the way people viewed retaliation cases in the past. So what can employers do about this landmark decision? Well, first of all, you have to educate your managers. You have to tell them about the case, and you have to tell them about its implications because they are broad. You need to think about your internal policies. Do you have a statement that clearly says that retaliation is prohibited? You have to think about how you handle investigations, and you have to think about follow-up. For the Labor Employment Minute, I'm Anthony Haller.
This has been the Labor and Employment Minute with the law firm of Blank Rome, a national multi-practice firm with over 400 attorneys in 6 states and the District of Columbia. Blank Rome's highly regarded employment law practice provides clients with legal advice, counseling, representation in litigation, and training in all aspects of labor, employment, and benefits law. For more information, go to blankrome.com.